Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chemical bonding. This is basically for the students of class 11. Okay, let's start today's class. Firstly, we have to know what is chemical bonding. The force of attraction which holds various constituents like atoms or ions together in different chemical species is called a chemical bonding. Right? That means a chemical species like NaCl, here Na plus is a cation and Cl minus is an anion. They both are together in this species because of this force of attraction between them, and this force of attraction which binds them or which is the cause of the chemical combination is known as chemical bonding. The cause of chemical bonding can be explained by Cauchy-Lewis approach to chemical bonding, which is also known as electronic theory of chemical bonding. Okay, by this theory, these postulates and theories, we have the clarity of the cause of the chemical bonding. Lewis postulates are: atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked by chemical bonds. In this process, each atom attains a stable outer octet of electrons. Atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electrons from one atom to another by gaining or losing, or by sharing of valence electrons in order to have an octet in their valence shell. This is also called octet rule. To understand this postulate or this octet rule is, we have to take an proper example of this electron transferring from one atom to another, and also we have to take an example of valence electron sharing. Okay, that means here all the atoms are trying to be attain octet, right? That means outer octet. They want to be stable and they all want to be like the noble gas. To understand Lewis postulate, the transfer of electron from one atom to another, here we take an proper example, and here we take firstly sodium, whose atomic number is 11, and we take another atom whose atomic number is 17. Here valence electronic configuration of sodium is 3s1 and valence electronic configuration of chlorine is 3s2 3p5. That means 7. Sodium has one electron on its outer shell, and this dot is known as Lewis symbol. Okay, this dot. Now sodium loses its outer shell electron and become a cation, and this electron is taken by chlorine and fulfilling its 8 electron on its outermost shell. Here we can see sodium also attain a noble gas character, and chlorine also attains noble gas electronic configuration. Both are attaining noble gas electronic configuration after transferring electron from sodium to chlorine. So this is the proper example of electron transfer, right? And this is, we all know, this is ionic bond. Example of ionic bond. So sodium, after losing its 3s1 electron, it has the noble gas electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6, which is the electronic configuration of neon, right? Noble gas. And Cl minus, that is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6. This attains the electronic configuration of argon. This is also a noble gas. Here we take sharing valence electrons. Okay, example of sharing valence electron. So here we take a covalent bond like HCl. Here hydrogen has atomic number 1 and electron has atomic number 17. So here this is the Lewis symbol of hydrogen. Here the outermost electron has 1 electron and chlorine has 7 electrons, and they, after sharing, both attain the electronic configuration of noble gas. Chlorine fulfills this 8 electron and hydrogen fulfills 2 electron like helium, and it is also like argon. Okay, let's check Kochel. What is Kochel's postulate? According to Kochel, in the periodic table, the highly electropositive alkali metals and highly electronegative halogens are separated by the noble gases. Firstly, the formation of negative ion from a halogen atom and positive ion from an alkali metal atom is associated with gain or loss of an electron by the respective atoms, right? And the next one is the negative and positive ions thus formed attain stable noble gas electronic configurations, and number 3 is the negative and positive ions are stabilized by electrostatic force of attraction. Here the highly electropositive alkali metal is sodium and halogen is chlorine. We take an example of alkali metal. There is sodium, which loses 1 electron and become a cation, that is Na+, and halogen is chlorine, and after taking this electron becomes Cl-, and they both are by electrostatic force of attraction become together. Here potassium is also an electropositive alkali metal. After losing its 1 electron it becomes K+, and this electron is taken by bromine and it becomes Br-, right? They are also attain electrostatic force of attraction and become together, right? Here we discussed about what is chemical bond and what is the cause behind the chemical combination. Okay, with proper examples of electron transferring, electron sharing, and attaining noble gas electronic configurations, and we discuss about Lewis-Kochel postulates also and the octet rule properly.